Hello everyone, Namaste. Ravneet Bhalla welcomes you back to her channel. If you are fasting this Navratri, then I have a lip-smacking recipe of banana chutney for you. Let's get started to see how to tinkle your taste buds with this amazingly delicious recipe of banana chutney. For this recipe, you need to soak raisins in 2 tablespoons of water for 30 minutes at least, and then after 30 minutes, add 1 green chili, squeeze 1 lemon juice, add mineral salt, senda namak or pink Himalayan salt, and add 1 banana. Sweet, spicy, tangy banana chutney is ready to be relished with your sabudana khichdi. And if you are wondering sabudana khichdi कैसे बनाएं, तो चलो देखें how to cook khili khili sabudana khichdi. For this recipe, you need to rinse and soak sabudana or tapioca pearls for 5 to 6 hours in equal amount of water. I have taken half cup of sabudana and I have soaked them after rinsing very well to remove the starch in half cup of water. And you will need to soak them for 5 to 6 hours. After 5 to 6 hours, you will notice that the sabudana has soaked or absorbed all of the water and swollen, and it looks plump and perfect to go into our sabudana khichdi. To prepare sabudana khichdi, you will need boiled potatoes, coriander powder, coriander seeds, coriander leaves, jeera, peanuts, and grated ginger and green chili. So we'll need to temper the khichdi with half teaspoon of ghee. You may add more. I have made this khichdi for one person, so this is for one serving only. Temper with all the mentioned ingredients: jeera, coriander powder, boiled potato, peanuts, grated ginger, and roast on a slow flame always. Roast on low heat. Add coriander leaves. This sabudana khichdi will be ready in a jiffy. You don't need a lot of time to make sabudana khichdi. Some people now ask how to make sabudana khichdi without soaking. Add salt. Well, you can make sabudana khichdi without soaking, but this will not be a good option for your digestive system. Now add the soaked sabudana or sago pearls or tapioca pearls. Cook for 1 minute only. Turn off the heat. Garnish with coriander leaves and squeeze juice of half lemon. Turn off the flame. You don't need to cook the soaked sabudana for long, otherwise it will get mushy. We don't want sabudana to get mushy. We want them to be khili khili. एक एक पीस दिखाई देना चाहिए, right? So that is how you get sabudana. Delicious sabudana khichdi is ready to be relished. Happy Navratri.